Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Chrysler 300. If you have one of those and you need to find the fuse for the horn, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located. Check that fuse. We will explain why it's super important to test it. And if your horn still doesn't work, we'll explain what else you need to check. So make sure you stay till the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically we have that Chrysler 3.6 V6 engine, but even if you have a different one, procedure will be about the same. You come to this side right here and we're going to show you guys what to do. This is the fuse box here. What you need to do, you need to click here, squish towards each other, pull straight up and it comes out. When it comes out guys, you can see you will have the fuse numbers and relays right here. The horns guys, usually you will have two horns, one is high tone, one is low tone, but both of them will be wired to one fuse only. And that fuse in our case will be that 20 amp fuse. That will be the third fuse from left to right. 1, 2, 3, that third fuse right here. Check it guys, it's super important to test it as well, because sometimes you cannot tell easily those are not clear fuses if they're burnt or not. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses. Check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test fuses and relays as well. And if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays, parts, I'll share that link in the description of the video below as well. You can get them at a really good price guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.